Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the backup exists and is accessible. On the old phone, open WhatsApp and tap Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, confirm last backup date and account. Once done, install WhatsApp on the new device but do not register yet. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network and charging. Large backups may take time. Now proceed to verify the phone number. This step authorizes restoration and links the backup to your new device. After you verify your phone number, WhatsApp will detect available backups tied to that number and account. Tap Restore when prompted. The app first downloads messages, then media, so be patient. Make sure you grant storage, contacts, and microphone permissions. Without them, some content won't restore properly. If your backup is encrypted, enter the encryption password or 64-digit key when requested. Once messages reappear, WhatsApp will continue fetching media in the background. Do not interrupt. To finish, complete your profile and scan through chats to confirm everything is present. Media may still sync for a while. If something went wrong, first check you signed into the same Google or iCloud account and use the identical phone number. Mismatches are the most common cause. Make sure the new phone has enough free storage. If you used end-to-end encrypted backups and restoration fails, locate the exact password or 64-digit key. Without it, the encrypted backup cannot be recovered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.